Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this hot and smoky amala. So guys, let's get started with this video. So I will start by adding in 2 cups of water and I will allow the water to boil. So while the water is boiling, I will bring down my fire to a very low heat and I'll be adding a cup of flour to 2 cups of water. So I'm going to be using my stick to give it a nice stir to prevent it from getting lumps. So I'm going to be adding extra half cup of yam flour, and to that half cup of yam flour I'm going to be adding 1 cup of hot water, not cold water, hot water, and I will make sure I give it a nice stir to prevent it from getting lumps. So after stirring it for about 3 minutes, I'm going to be adding a little bit of more water to cook it for about 8 to 5 minutes on a very low heat. So it depends on the consistency that you want. That's how you're going to be adding your water in at this point. So I just added like a half cup of water and I'm going to cover it up on a very low heat so it will cook for about 8 minutes. So after allowing it to cook, I'm going to give it a nice stir and continue to stir it on the fire for about 3 minutes, and that's it. My amala is ready, hot and smoky, ready to enjoy. So guys, all you just need to do at this moment is to get a plate. Make sure you grease your plate with some water to prevent it from sticking to it. Use your plate to get it from your pot. Give it that nice shape that you want and transfer it into your plate, and you can enjoy it with your ewedu and begiri, your okra soup, stew or anything. So if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post new videos. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Till I see you again on my next recipe. Thank you very much for clicking on my video. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.